Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Uchis inspired makeup tutorial on her new album Isolation. I just had to create a makeup look for this album cover because everybody knows I love Uchis and I'm just so proud of her for making this album. It's her first debut album and I love the cover art so much. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's really not that hard. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for foundation, we're gonna go in with the Super Stay by Maybelline. We're gonna be using the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Etheral Setting Powder. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzing Contour Powder. Airspun powder because I use my airspun powder to clean up my contour instead of my Too Faced one, because my Too Faced one is more like, is softer and less thick, so it doesn't dry up and crease my under eye. So it's just the way the powder under my eye before it gets too dry. Okay, now for highlight, I'm gonna be going in with Rodeo Dry from Ofra Cosmetics. As you can see, this is like my favorite highlighter because she's almost dead. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray and spray my brush a little bit to prep her for this highlight. Going with a small angled eyeshadow brush and dip into my contour powder just a little bit and go along the sides of my nose just to redefine. My Morphe pencil, since the other end of it is like this brown color, which is perfect. I'm gonna go in right here and just create a dot. Perfect. Now for eyebrows, she has some really dark brows in this tutorial. So, I mean, she has some really dark brows in the cover album and they're really thin as well. I'm gonna go with my Colourpop I Think I Love You eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with the black shade and I'm gonna do light little strokes on my brows because, girl, black is real dark. But we're just gonna do light strokes.
The messy brow look, but like make it look good at the same time. This is kind of challenging.
Digits on the beat.
Be a little challenging, but if you have a red gloss, this look is gonna be so easy for you because this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a red melted latex gloss by Too Faced to do on my eyelids, just how she has. put an image here. This would be the perfect alternative for the glossy look, especially because this was only $10 at Sephora, and that's pretty affordable. But you can always go to the drugstore and find one for like $5 and it can do the same job. So yeah, we're gonna use a piece of tape for this to create the angled, because she has it like an angled cat eye. So basically the shape is like, yeah, that's it. I think. I gotta clean that up with some concealer, but I don't think that came out too bad. It like matches the photo. Okay, so now that I cleaned them up, I cleaned the shape and made them look pretty even, because I took off the tape and then I went back in like to actually look at the shape and make sure that they look even. And this is coming out so good. So this is gonna dry in the meantime while we do our lipstick and gloss before we can put on the eyelashes. So yeah, I'm gonna be going in with L'Oreal Lasting Plum lip liner. Make my way down. To do that, I'm gonna go in with my Elizabeth Arden High Shine Lip Gloss, and I love this gloss so much. I just like go like this a little bit so I don't get as much glitter on it. But the gloss itself is really pretty and pink. I'm gonna set my makeup with the Maybelline Make a Dewy Setting Spray. Have a black wig that I bought so to complete this look, because I gotta give this the full effect. So I'm gonna let down my hair really quick so I can put it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope you guys recreate this look in the future and like tag me if you want. Yeah, I had a lot of fun making this. Like, it really step me out a little bit out of my comfort zone, and that's something I love a lot about Callie. She really helps me explore myself with makeup more because I'm just so inspired by her. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and like a video, and let me know in the comments what was your favorite song from the Isolation album. So yeah, bye guys.